With Fiverr's affiliate platform, you can easily create your affiliate link to any page associated with Fiverr right from your browser, all in a matter of seconds. An affiliate link includes your unique ID for helping you track every new customer you refer to Fiverr. You can link back to the Fiverr homepage or to any subcategory or gig pages within Fiverr as well. In this video, we'll cover what you need to help generate and track your affiliate links to the Fiverr homepage. You can also generate and track links to promote other products such as &Co and Fiverr Learn. Now, to generate a homepage link, log into your account. Go to Marketing Tools and select Default and Deep Links. You'll see all the generated links. To promote Fiverr's services, you'll need to choose between two types of links, Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. Fiverr CPA will direct your users to Fiverr and entitle you to a CPA commission. Fiverr Hybrid will also direct your users to Fiverr, but will entitle you to a fixed CPA commission plus a percentage of the order value. To start promoting, simply click the Copy to Clipboard icon, and then all you have to do is place the link on your site.